Hello everyone! Today's I Do You Do lesson, we will be working with extending previous knowledge of triangles and their properties to include the sum of angles inside a triangle. Let's start by reading the I Do problem. Roland drew a triangle and measured the three angles. Which of the following sets of angles cannot be the angles for Roland's triangle? On the right side of the screen, you will see the cube strategies that we will be using today. Let's start with circle or underline keywords, but if you prefer, you can always highlight. Angles cannot be the angles for Roland's triangle. Then we box our question. Which of the following sets of angles cannot be the angles of Roland's triangle? Next, we elaborate. He drew a triangle and measured the three angles, but we need to look for which one cannot be the right measurements. Our final step is to solve the problem, which means we will have to add each of the measurements from the answer choices to figure out which one cannot. So let's start with A. 90 plus 50 is 140, plus 40 equals 180. That is the measurements for a triangle. B. 25 plus 20 equals 45, plus 135 equals 180. Measurements for a triangle. C. 69 plus 64 equals 133 plus 67. 0, carry the 1, 0. 200. Let's try D. 50 plus 55 is 105 plus 75 equals 180. D is also correct. The measurements of a triangle must be 180 degrees, and C is the one that cannot be the angles for Roland's triangle. We are now done solving the I Do problem. At this time, you can move on to the You Do problem and use the cube strategies to solve.